Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you've ever wanted to move a large TV between rooms without drilling holes in the wall, today's product could be exactly what you're looking for. We're taking a closer look at the ONKRON Mobile TV Stand on wheels, a heavy-duty rolling TV cart designed for televisions ranging from 50 to 86 inches. So, is this TV stand really worth considering? What do all of its specifications actually mean in everyday use? And why has it become such a popular solution for homes, offices, schools, conference rooms, trade shows, and even digital signage setups? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out is compatibility. This stand supports TVs from 50 all the way up to 86 inches, making it suitable for most modern LCD, LED, OLED, QLED, and even curved displays. It also supports VESA mounting patterns from 200 by 200 up to 800 by 500 millimeters, giving it compatibility with a huge range of television brands and models. Strength is another major highlight. This model is designed to support displays weighing up to 233 pounds, or approximately 105 kilograms. That's far more than the weight of most consumer televisions, providing plenty of capacity for large commercial displays and premium home theater TVs. The frame itself is constructed from SBCC cold-rolled steel, which is commonly used for high-strength mounting equipment because of its durability and rigidity. One feature many users appreciate is the adjustable height. Instead of locking your TV into one permanent position, the stand allows the display height to be adjusted, making it easier to achieve a comfortable viewing angle whether you're standing during a presentation or sitting on a couch watching movies. Depending on the version, the mounting height ranges roughly from 1,350 to 1,650 millimeters. Mobility is where this product really shines. 4 heavy-duty caster wheels allow the entire setup to roll smoothly from one location to another. The wheels also feature locking mechanisms, helping keep the stand securely in place once you've positioned it exactly where you want it. If you're using the stand in classrooms, meeting rooms, churches, exhibitions, or conference centers, being able to move a large display without lifting it can save both time and effort. The included equipment shelves add even more flexibility. You can place a laptop, streaming device, gaming console, media player, conferencing equipment, or other accessories directly on the stand instead of needing a separate table. Cable management channels built into the frame help keep power and HDMI cables organized for a cleaner appearance. Installation is designed to be straightforward as well. The package includes mounting hardware for common TV sizes along with detailed assembly instructions. Because the stand supports such large displays, having another person available during installation is recommended, especially for larger televisions. Another interesting aspect is expandability. ONKRON offers optional accessories that allow this stand to be customized even further. Depending on your needs, compatible accessories include additional AV shelves, equipment panels, dual screen mounting options, and even a motorized lift upgrade on compatible models, making it adaptable for professional installations. Build quality also deserves attention. The steel frame provides excellent stability while remaining portable. The stand itself weighs roughly 70 pounds before adding a television, creating a solid foundation that helps support large screens during everyday movement. In real-world use, the numbers translate into versatility. Whether you're moving a presentation display between meeting rooms, creating a portable entertainment center, setting up digital signage, or simply avoiding wall mounting, the ONKRON Mobile TV Stand offers flexibility that fixed wall mounts simply can't provide. Its broad VESA compatibility means you probably won't need additional adapters for most large televisions. The generous weight capacity gives confidence when supporting premium displays, while adjustable height and rolling wheels make it easy to reposition whenever your room layout changes. Overall, the ONKRON Mobile TV Stand combines heavy-duty construction, wide TV compatibility, adjustable positioning, integrated storage shelves, and smooth portability into a practical solution for both home and professional environments. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.